In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link preview in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it, starting with the situation where you're still composing your post. So, you're in the LinkedIn post editor, and maybe you've pasted a URL that you no longer want to include. To remove that link preview, first, you need to delete the URL itself. Click into the text area of your post and find the link that you pasted. Simply press backspace or delete to erase that link text entirely. Now, once you've deleted the URL, sometimes the link preview remains visible beneath your text. This can be a bit distracting, but don't worry, there's an easy fix. In that preview box, look for a small X icon, usually found in one of the corners. Go ahead and click that X icon to dismiss the link preview. Now, let's move on to a different scenario. What if you've already published the post and realize you want to remove the link preview? First things first, you'll want to locate the post on your profile or in your feed. Once you find it, look to the top right corner of your post for the More icon, which looks like 3 dots. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the option to Edit Post. This will take you into the Edit view for your post, making it easy to modify content. Once you're in the Edit view, you'll need to delete the URL again from the text area. Just as before, find the URL and press backspace or delete to remove it. Once you've taken care of the URL, the last step is simple. Look for the Save button, usually located towards the bottom right of the window. Click on it, and your changes will be saved, effectively removing the unwanted link preview from your published post. And that's it. Whether you're composing a new post or editing one that's already live, you now have all the steps you need to remove a link preview in LinkedIn. This can help keep your posts looking clean and focused on your intended message. Remember, managing link previews can greatly enhance the professionalism and effectiveness of your LinkedIn content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips like these. Thank you for watching, and happy networking on LinkedIn.